Welcome to another Smiling Colors video, friends. Today we're unboxing some Light Up Crochet hooks. I bought this particular set because I loved the case that it came in. I love the color of the case. It's a nice waterproof one and it comes with 17 size hooks. So the different crochet hooks included in this one set. The crochet hook handle is a little bulkier than I'm used to, but it has a nice ergonomic shape, which means you can hold it easily in your hand. You simply need to choose the crochet hook size you need, and then you insert it into the handle and twist it. On the side of the crochet hook handle, you'll see there's a small button, and when you press the button, you turn on the light up feature. You can see the two lighting modes better here in the darkness. So this is a really super bright mode, and this is the dimmer mode. I like the dimmer mode when I'm just crocheting a simple pattern, but if you're doing something a little more complicated, the bright light will actually help. So when it comes to the actual crocheting part, this is an acrylic crochet hook. I've been using bamboo hooks for a long time and I found the acrylic to be a change. It's not a bad change because the acrylic is really smooth and the yarn does not get tangled. The hook size and the way the hook is bent is really nice, so you can crochet easily. The kit comes with a USB wire that you can use to recharge the handle of the crochet hook. The handle comes pre-charged and lasts for about 7 to 8 hours. I've been using it for a couple of months and have found no need to charge it yet. And it's very easy again to change the crochet hook sizes. You can just unscrew the top and then screw in the new size that you need. There is a small wrench included in case it feels like it's not attached properly. You can tighten it completely. And I simply love how they've included all the sizes in one kit, from the smallest size to the largest. My only wish is that the size numbers that it's added on the side of each crochet hook, it is super tiny and it's written in a black ink that you can barely see in the dark. So if that was like in white or in a brighter color, I think that would be easier to see. But other than that, I love this set of crochet hooks. And if you love to crochet, especially in the dark, this would be a great addition to your crochet stash. Thank you so much for spending some crafty time with me today, friends. I'll leave a link to this set of crochet hooks in the description box. And as usual, I'll see you again with another crafty video soon. Till then, happy crafting!